Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry if there's a whole lot of background noise. It is a wonderful, beautiful sunny day outside and I'm in here. But it is a beautiful day outside, which means there are a lot of people out enjoying the weather. And this attic is like an oven right now, so I have to have the window open. I just recorded one video with the window closed and I am sweating. But we have another Witch's Moon unboxing today, which I am very, very excited for. I feel like it's been, I don't know, I've been all over the place this past month. I've been in a very strange place, but I am trying to power through and get work done anyway. And I'm very excited to be back to doing one of these. So let's just dive right into this. Hold on. Okay, so like brown. All right. Ooh. So this says the pendulum. Oh, I think, it's gonna be something in this box, I think. Okay, so yes, we have this lovely artwork for the pendulum, which I'm assuming this is, and now I'm very excited. And that is beautiful. Oh, we have our table of contents. I choose to read this at the end because I like surprises and I like learning as I go along, so we'll read this at the end. By the end of this video, I will know everything that's in this box. Be patient. Oh, and we have our oracle reading. Oh, and this says, baby, reconnect with your innocence. Well, that's nice. I saw baby and I was like, fertility, no. And I don't ever want children, so anytime like fertility stuff comes up, I'm kind of like, I don't trust it. But yes. I'm all about reconnecting with innocence, so that is much nicer than what I originally thought. Ooh, okay, so there's a bit of like a dark red theme in here too. Pretty. Okay, so right on top we have a beautiful incense burner. This one's black. I actually don't have any black ones. It's still wooden, but it just seems to be painted black or something, and I always need more incense burners. It doesn't really seem to matter how many I have. I still find myself needing more, so I am very, very happy with this. Always appreciated, thank you. Okay, next up we have what I believe is our oil. Oh, and this oil says Seeker. This is quite, it's like sort of a masculine smell to me. I don't know if it's maybe something like pine-ish or something quite mentholy, eucalyptus or something. I'm not totally sure, but it is like a more like masculine smell, if you get what I mean. I'm interested to see what's in here. I say pine, I mean that for like any type of like needly tree, you know, like pine, cedar, all of that. Like they're all pine to me, but I know what I'm talking about, sort of. Okay, next up we have a few little packets of various, okay. So first of all we have Masterwort. I've never heard of that before, I'm not even sure what it is. That's what that looks like. We have pepper, so it's just some nice little peppercorns. And we have linseed. And I'm actually using a lot of linseed at the minute in my diet for the omegas and such, because I'm actually trying to grow my hair longer at the minute. Might seem weird, but I just want like really long hair. Like it's already long, but I want it longer. So I'm actually gonna start using some of the herbs from these boxes, anything that I find that will be beneficial to make different little herbal hair soaks and stuff, so that's exciting. But yes. Little packs of herbs, very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take off some of these noodlies here. We have something in a pouch. I assume this will be our rock or crystal this month. Oh, it is. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe like just a big chunk of clear quartz or something. When you hold it up to the light, I'm actually kind of seeing almost little like rainbows inside it, but I am not sure. Like clear quartz is always what comes to mind when I see like a big clear chunk of something, but it could be something else. Whatever it is, it's very pretty. Okay, oh gosh, there's some nice stuff in here. First, let's grab our salt. Oh, this is an Ostra salt, and I can see lots of lavender and rose petals in here, so I bet it's going to smell very nice. Oh, there's something else though. I don't know what that other smell is because I can see the lavender and the rose, but something else is actually coming through much stronger. It's something like lemony maybe? Lemon balm? I don't know, it smells almost sort of lemonish to me, like lemongrass or something maybe? I'm not sure. We'll have to see at the end, but it smells lovely. Okay, we have our spell candle this month. Oh my god. Is it you? Something smells amazing all of a sudden. Something smells like marshmallows. And this candle is black and it says the Divine Spark. I might be getting something marshmallow off this because whenever I put it up to my nose the beeswax becomes stronger, but there is something like sweet and I feel like it's this. We have our incense. This one isn't, oh wait, do you know, is this the sweet smell? I can't tell. Why is my nose dead? This one's not a super strong incense, but I'm thinking maybe that's where part of the sweetness is coming from. Something smells amazing anyway. All right, next up we have a little box, which is always exciting. Oh, is this like a little necklace? Oh no, this is the pendulum. Okay, there was like something on top of it. Oh, okay, so that's interesting. So on one end, we have this crystal point here, and then, ooh, on the other end, there is like this little medallion. What the fuck just flew in my window? No, bee. No. There you go. A honeybee came in. It found its way out. It's okay. But yeah, this is really interesting and pretty. I'll have to read the whole thing on how it's used. But that is gorgeous. There's some fluff on it. And then finally, there's a big old something in here, which I'm quite excited about. Whoa! Oh, this must be for the pendulum. Okay. Oh. So, I mean, this is going to be hard to show because I'm going to be like hiding out in the background here, but can you see that? That's incredible. Wow. So I guess the idea is you like ask a question and then see where it goes or something? I'll have to read, like it does say. Okay, that's everything. Let me have a little read. So, handcrafted divination / pendulum board. Yes, that is that last cool thing we just looked at. It was created exclusively for the subscribers of the Witch's Moon. Knotted raven smoky quartz pendulum. Yes, that's what came with it. Made of smoky quartz along with the powerful raven charm. Pendulum Book of Shadows artwork. Yes, that is the thing I showed you at the very beginning. The Divine Spark spell candle. Yes, this candle has been anointed with spearmint, ginger, and clove oils. And a special mixture of spirit guide and vision magical oils. Seeker magical anointing oil. Here we go. What was in that? Black pepper, spearmint, and ginger oils. Did I say mint? And the black pepper makes sense as well because that would be like a sort of masculine smell. It also has a Lemurian quartz and a special mixture of divination magical oil from the personal cabinet of witchery. Okay. Ostara sacred salt, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Sacred salt, sweet orange, lemongrass, and vetiver oils. Oh, I love vetiver, as well as rose, lemon balm, and lavender herb. Yes, oh my god. I said lemongrass and I did say lemon balm, but then I wanted to cut it out because I feel like last time people made fun of me for the way I say balm and now I'm paranoid, but because I was right. And a special mixture of Triumph magical oil. Okay. Optical calcite, is that the rock? Yes, beautifully clear stone is a wonderful tool to have close by. So this is optical calcite and its elements are fire and wind and it's for all the chakras. Hand carved incense stick holder, yes we got that. Energetic barrier incense, Notes of vanilla, okay so that's what smelled like marshmallows to me. Linseed, also known as flaxseed, role in prosperity, protection and psychic spells. Black pepper, used in many amulets to protect against the evil eye. Its powers include protection and exorcism, goodness. Masterwort herb, wonderful physical aid. Masterwork can be used to help with the strength that is needed to overcome physical obstacles. I would quite like if in these little sort of things it would let you know which herbs and stuff can be used, like, you know, like which ones are edible, like which ones you could use in a tea and stuff and which ones you shouldn't, because I think that would be really useful. Personalized oracle reading, yes, and parchment paper, which is right here. Yes, okay, so that is everything. Okay, well that was lovely as always. I can't get over like this, like that is absolutely amazing to me. It's just so cool. So that will be sitting up here from now on, I think. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to leave me a little comment and let me know what you thought of this box. Also give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new here, consider subscribing. There's lots of other videos for you to check out. And before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be amazing. It is a great way to support this channel and make sure that it keeps going. So I would absolutely love to see some new faces over there. The link for that is down in the description. And I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies!